Hey everyone, back with another vlog. Got up first thing this morning and got my kids out the front door, let the dog out, and notice we are bombarded with actual army worms. If you don't know what army worms are, well, look them up. They eat nothing but grass, tear up your whole yard, everything else. Not that my whole yard needs tearing up. It's already tore up from all my videos that I make for you guys. And I'm going to show you how to get rid of those army worms, at least naturally, where you're not spraying anything. And I got the kids involved, and I think you're gonna like this video. So y'all stick around.
So the one can put there.
Right there they are.
Here, I saw that one at my yard.
There we go. It's an army worm.
Oh, it did point.
Yeah. Pick it up. It's not gonna do nothing to you.
Daddy, do you have poise?
And we drop them in there. See?
Look.
No, he's in there. All right, come on, let's find some more.
Daddy,
come on. Come over.
There's some over here.
Here, grab that one, Ola. See it? Right there.
You like their home, Daddy. Daddy.
Perfect, come on.
Daddy has their whole bunch. Daddy.
What, baby?
They like their new home.
No, they're not. They're not meant to be in our yard, baby. We got to give them to the chickens.
Can I pick up one and give it in here? Give it in one bottle that I was into, and then I keep it. Can I?
No, we gotta get rid of them, and you can't keep them.
Daddy, I know where's the other one.
I gotta cut the yard next.
Will they eat the bottle? Daddy.
No, they won't eat the bottle. Yeah.
He's going down there.
You got them?
Yes.
Good job.
Daddy,
Look, there's 3 right here. Grab them. There's 1, 2, and the other one under the car.
Oh my God.
Hurry up.
He was trying to bite me. All these guys are protected.
Go ahead, grab it. Put it in there. Go.
He's like,
Ow.
hey. Ow.
Al, you gonna? Are you gonna pick one up?
No, because we're grabbing all these ugly caterpillars. Look, Daddy.
What'd you say?
Trying to escape.
What'd you say? They're coming back to life.
Yes, and look, they're trying to escape, Daddy. They're pushing through it. Look at that. I just pushed one off. Push one off.
All right, let's go this way. So they follow me. Come right here. They're waiting for you. All right, now open the bottle. See that bottle? Here. Hang on. Let me see you. Oh, yeah, they're everywhere, huh?
They're eating up the grass, Daddy. I see one here again. They're eating up the grass.
They're only in the tall grass, huh? We're going to cut our grass here in a second. There's one right there. There's one right there. You see him?
Yes, I can, but what's he doing?
And look, there's some on this top of this grass right here. See that one on the top of that grass? It's they eat the grass.
There's another one. It's super duper tiny.
Okay, baby.
Daddy, look at this super
All right,
tiny.
put it in there. Put it in there.
I know. Look at that one.
See, they eat all the grass. They try to tear up people's yards.
And look,
we had the chickens out
look,
here.
I'm giving a little snacky while they're waiting to get eaten. Look at them. Those are army worms. We're trying to get them.
Take those. Got it?
Yeah, look how much army worms are eating at that grass.
Yeah.
They're sharing all that food. Look at them sharing all that food, Daddy.
All right, so let's talk about why armyworms are a problem now. About 2 weeks ago, we got about 22 inches of rain in a single week. We had that many consecutive days of rain. It didn't help that right behind that, about a week later, Hurricane Debbie was Tropical Storm Debbie, which was a tropical depression or whatever you want to call it, by the time it got here. And everybody in our county is now battling those armyworms in their yards. I'm talking, everybody is talking about it. It's like the #1 hot topic that is right now trending in our area. And so I don't know how they get here. I don't know all the specifics. I didn't do my research on it. All I know is apparently the storm brought them in and they are a big issue. And so they're everywhere. Like my whole yard, again, like I said earlier, is moving. You can see those right there. That's just a sample. Like I just cut this backyard, and I'm gonna tell you how I'm gonna get rid of them. I got parts of my yard actually dying, first of all. I don't know if it's from too much rain or whatever, or if it's anything that has to do with them, but I'm gonna get rid of them the old school way, and that is I'm about to let my chickens out and let them stay out all during the day and let them forage off these things, because I have cut the grass, got it low enough so they should be able to see them. They ain't got to scratch very hard to get to them, and hopefully they fuel themselves up. And maybe we'll do this for like the next day or two to get rid of them, at least in our backyard. In our front yard, we're going to keep everything low, and as a result, hopefully what we're doing back here translates to that back there, and we get rid of them. So there you go. So let's let them out. Let's see what they do. And I'm about to clean this up in another video, show you what I do, because it's all matted down from the rain. But I'm going to show you what I do. I'm going to start cleaning all this up for another video. But hopefully they're going to see all them armyworms and get a hold of them. So we'll see. We'll see. But they're having a field day. One last thing I did think about was I don't necessarily know if the armyworms are going to affect my blackberry bushes. So I've got to do something, especially in my backyard. If the ones in my front yard go, I can replace those. But I got about 100 blackberry bushes right here in my backyard, and I haven't even thought about it. So hopefully they last. I really don't want them to go away because I got to be able to show you all a lot more stuff in my videos. Speaking of blackberry bushes, let me show y'all. Check this out. We got some Primark Freedoms getting ready to give us some blackberries here in the next probably 2.5 weeks. They'll be ready, and I have plenty of them. If you want some of them, if you want to grow some of them right in your backyard, I got plenty of them. I got a lot of different varieties right now. The ones I got the most of that I can ship to you are the Arapaho variety, and this over here is the Primark Travelers, and they're going to do the same thing. They're actually probably going to give me the same, give me berries at the same exact time. So anyway, if you don't know that about me, now you do. Go check out our website. See what all you can grow right in your backyard, because I am proof you can do all this stuff too. And if you love this type of video, make sure you comment down below and let me know, because I've let you into my lives a lot more here recently, showing you my kids and everything else. If you want to support us by buying our plants. Or you can buy some our shirts right on our website. Make sure you go check it out in the description below. We'll catch y'all next time.